Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the iTunes store is unable to process purchase at this time. So if you're getting this error on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So I was getting this error. I have fixed this issue, but at the time I had screenshot. So you can see if you're getting this error, then how you can fix this problem, I'm going to show you. So before we start the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. So what you're gonna need to do is, so first of all, make sure that you have a credit in your Apple ID. So you can check it. Go to your, just click on user icon and there will be a balance showing. So make sure that you have a balance in your Apple ID or credit, or you have added the credit card or debit card into your Apple ID. And once you have made sure that you have the balance or credit or debit card in your Apple ID, the next step is go to settings, then simply click on it, click on media and purchases, click on sign out and sign out the Apple ID. Wait for 5 seconds, then simply click on it again and click on continue. Now sign in the Apple ID again into your iPhone App Store. So once it's done, then go back, click on screen time. So if you have turned on the screen time, make sure that you turn it off for the moment. Then click on general again and click on date and time and turn on set automatically. So once you have done this, then go to software update section, and if there is any update available, then simply click on download and install that update in your iPhone. It might causing the problem. Then the last step is, if you have tried all these steps and none of these working, then scroll down and you will get this reset option. Click on it, click on reset all setting. Now by doing reset all setting, you won't lose any of your data, but it will fix your problem. So make sure that you do that, but it will remove your credit card, Wi-Fi password. So make sure that you have the details so you can add it back again. So this is how you can fix this problem. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.